hauled here. I know I ordered a ton of holiday stuff, but I don't know. It's like the beginning of summer. I have to remember to do it a year or so in advance. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, we're doing Clockworks. So this is in time for Halloween and Christmas. We are going to do some Clockworks inspired designs, and I'm so excited because they're just the right size. Check it. And I got two because I knew I was hoping they were gonna be nice and small. So there we go. Super, super fun stuff. All right. We'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you're having fun with Soaptoberfest. And again, if you are a soap maker and you want to join in, please join me. Super, super fun. All right, see you guys next time. Bye for now.